Hello guys, welcome back. Today's story, data science. What is data science? Data science is a field that involves extracting meaningful insights from raw, structured, and unstructured data using the scientific method, different technologies, and algorithms. Components of the data science. The following are the 5 basic components of data science. 1. Data. Data is a collection of factual information based on numbers, words, observations, measurements that can be utilized for calculation, discussion, and reasoning. 2. Big data. Big data consists of enormous data sets that are too large to be processed by conventional methods and gadgets. 3. Machine learning. Machine learning enables the system to process datasets autonomously without any human interference by utilizing various algorithms to work on massive volumes of data generated and extracted from numerous sources. 4. Statistics. Statistics is a way to collect and analyze numerical data in large amounts and find meaningful insights from it. 5. Data visualization. Data visualization is the representation of data in a graphical or pictorial format. To become a data scientist, you should have a combination of technical skills and workplace skills and education. Here are some steps you can take to become a successful data scientist. 1. Develop your abilities. The first step to success as a data scientist is to develop your current abilities in any domain knowledge, math skills, computer science, or communication skills. 2. Pursue education and certification. Pursue a degree in data science and obtain all required forms of certifications. 3. Learn a language. Learn your favorite programming language to become a successful data scientist. 4. Build your portfolio. Build your portfolio by working on real-world projects that showcase your skills. 5. Network with other data scientists. Attend conferences or meetups to network with other data scientists. Some of the most popular tools used in data science are 1. Apache Hadoop, a free open source framework that can manage and store tons of data. It is used for high-level computations and data processing. 2. SAS, a statistical tool developed by SAS Institute. It is a closed source proprietary software that is used by large organizations to analyze data. 3. Apache Spark, a data science tool developed by Apache Software Foundation used for analyzing and working on large-scale data. It is a unified analytics engine for large-scale data processing. 4. DataRobot, an enterprise AI platform that aids in developing accurate predictive models for real-world problems of any organization. 5. Python, a popular programming language used for data analysis, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. 6. R, a programming language and software environment for statistical computing and graphics. 7. Tableau, a data visualization tool that helps people to see and understand the data. 8. Power BI, a business analytics service provided by Microsoft that provides interactive visualizations with self-service business intelligence capabilities. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more informative videos.